Hey everyone, it is me, Ameka Diecast, and today we are gonna review on 4 Hot Wheels cars. First up, we can review on Pagani Zonda R with white, black, and yellow wheels. And the code just says R39. That's the code. Let's review this. Front, we have no detail, driver side with yellow wheels, rear with spoiler, and passenger side, and the roof. And that is cool, and that is a good looking car. Let's review this track Manga with green, white, and orange with D-Man and letter K with blue and yellow wheels. And the code says R34, that's the code. Let's review this. Front, we have no detail, driver side, rear, and passenger side, and the roof with no roof. And that is cool, and that is a good looking car. Let's review this 1984 Audi Sport Quattro with black, yellow, red, and white stripe with white wheels. And the code says S10, that's the code. Front, we have black grille, driver side with white wheels, rear with spoiler, and passenger side, and the roof. And that is a good looking car and cool. Let's review this Liberty Walk LB Super Silhouette Nissan Silvia S15 with yellow and gray strip with gray wheels. And the code says S4, that's the code. Okay, let's review this. Front, we have no detail with Liberty Walk logo, passenger side with gray wheels, rear and passenger side, and the driver side, and the roof, and rear with spoiler. And that is cool, and that is a good looking car. Okay, please like, share, and comment and subscribe to my Diecast channel. And thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next Diecast video.